Some traditional kitchen utensils are very desirable even in today's modern world. One such appliance is a food mill. It is a device that acts as a bridge between blender and a food processor. It is typically a filter that mashes or purees soft food items like tomatoes, boiled or cooked vegetables, and legumes and fruits like raspberries, blackberries, etc. It is a piece of essential kitchen equipment if you have a toddler and you need to prepare baby food daily. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Quiso Pro Deluxe comes with 3 interchangeable discs in 2mm, 3mm, and 4mm sizes. It offers an extra large 18x10 stainless steel bowl with non-slip handles. Also, the innovative plastic scraper on the underside pushes puree into bowl or pot below. With a simple turn of the ergonomic non-slip handle, this durable stainless steel food mill purees a wide variety of fruit and vegetables while straining out skins, seeds, and pulp. It also sits high in your pot or bowl, keeping the mill out of the food. Moreover, instead of manually scraping the underside of the mill, the innovative scraper automatically scrapes as you turn. The RSVP Classic Rotary features comfortable handles and stable 3-legged design to sit securely on top of a bowl. It has 3 interchangeable stainless steel discs, which are fine, medium, and coarse. Also, the locked-in spring keeps the rotating blade close to the perforated disc. Besides, it has comfortable handles and the most stable 3-legged design to sit securely on top of a bowl. It comes with 3 interchangeable discs that have different size perforations for fine, medium, and coarse purees. Moreover, the locked-in spring keeps the rotating blade close to the perforated disc and delivers the force necessary to extrude the produce as you turn the crank. On the other hand, the discs are easy to switch and remove, resulting in quick cleanup. Another advantage is that you don't need to peel or remove seeds before milling, which saves time and effort. The OXO Good Grips food mill includes 3 stainless steel grinding discs for preparing foods of fine, medium, and coarse textures. You can use the fine disc for homemade jellies, creamy sauces, and baby food, the medium disc for applesauce and vegetable soups, and the coarse disc for mashed potatoes and chunkier sauces. Also, it has a unique release button that makes it easy to exchange discs and disassemble for storage. It provides 3 non-slip legs to hold the food mill securely over bowls and pots up to 11 inches in diameter, keeping it out of your food. Moreover, the soft, non-slip handle and knob ensure comfort when gripping the food mill. Another advantage is that all parts are dishwasher safe. In at first place among the list of best food mills we have, Alisa Home Foley. It fits pots and bowls from 8.5 inches up to 10.5 inches in diameter with a minimum height of 4.5 inches. Also, it comes with 3 sturdy notched legs on the base of the mill, and you can comfortably rotate the large gripping handle with no tipping or spilling. The 3 interchangeable discs offer a variety of consistency. You can use the fine disc for smooth tomato sauces and creamy baby food, the medium disc for textured purees, and the coarse disc for a chunky texture. Moreover, you can quickly switch out each stainless steel plate to get the desired thickness for your recipe. Another advantage is that you can heat it up and cool it down with no risk of chemicals or toxins transferring to your natural food. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, then hit the like button, and if you didn't, then go ahead and use the comment section to let us know why, so that we can improve the next video.